Hey guys, I'm Brent and welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, we're going to talk about the heartbeat of kindness. As we continue to look at Galatians 5:22 through 23, the main reason why the fruit of the Spirit is called the fruit of the Spirit is because the fruit that the Spirit produces in us is contrary to what you and I would produce on our own. And that's why you and I have to have a reliance on the Holy Spirit to produce these fruits. Now, one of the fruits that, in my opinion, is often overlooked is the fruit of kindness. You see, whether a person is a believer or not, one could easily say, "Oh, I'm kind." Well, because oftentimes we associate kindness with being polite. But kindness is much more than being polite. You see, to be kind means to be generous and gracious. To be kind means to put others before self. Now, outside of saying please and thank you, you would be amazed of the number of opportunities that's presented to you and I to actually show kindness. You see, being generous with our time and resources is an act of kindness. Extending someone grace when they probably don't deserve it is an act of kindness. Being helpful when you see someone in need is an act of kindness. You see, the heartbeat of being kind is putting others before self. This is why it's a fruit of the Spirit. Because if we're being honest with ourselves, most of us would choose self before others. Today, I want to challenge you to be kind. Be kind by being generous and gracious. Go beyond saying please and thank you. If an opportunity presents itself, put someone else before you. It's the heartbeat of kindness.